Hey guys, just a quick update for AquaMarine Club or AMC Global. These guys were in maintenance. They were upgrading their server, I think, for the majority of the day. But as you can see here, the website is back up. So we're going to take a quick look here at the back office. This platform, they have some unique features to their packages. So we'll cover that here in this quick update. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. Of course, I want to start off by saying that I am not a financial advisor. Never take anything I say as financial advice. If you are going to get into AquaMarine Club or AMC Global, do your own research and due diligence and only put in what you can afford to lose. Also, follow me on Telegram. I will leave a link for that down below. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you'll get notified straight away whenever I do a brand new video. So that being said, as I mentioned before, they were in maintenance mode for the bulk of the day. So if you tried to get onto their site, the website wasn't coming up. If you jumped into their Telegram, they were communicating. They had, I think, 2 or 3 posts saying that they were doing maintenance, and I think throughout the course of the day, I think they posted one or two times saying that, hey, still doing maintenance, give us some more time. So again, this is it's important that you plug into any platform that you're in. Specifically, we're talking about AquaMarine Club in this video. So, plug into the Telegram. That way you're in the loop with what's happening. If you're not plugged in, obviously you don't know what's going on. So in any case, they just posted saying that they are back up. As you can see, the website's coming back up. So yeah, let's go take a quick look into the back office. Cool thing about this platform. Well, let me show you here. Cool thing about this platform. Well, there's a couple of cool things. Number one is you can compound right from the back office. Number two, it pays out 7 days a week. And number three, once you make a deposit after 21 days, um, you can pull your capital out anytime you want. So yeah, here are the 3 different packages. There's a standard plan, $49 to $1,499, 0.7% every day, 7 days a week. Premium plan, $1,500 to $9,999, that pays out 1.10% every day. And then the elite plan is $10,000 and above. This pays out 1.5% every day, 7 days a week. And again, all of these packages, all of these plans, after 21 days of making your deposit, you can pull your capital out. And the other cool thing is it pays out perpetually, meaning to say that, that you don't have to re-up and repurchase your plan or package after you hit a certain amount, right? After you hit 300% or 400%, it just continues to pay out. So really cool on that part. The other cool thing I wanted to mention real quick before I go back into the back office is they do have a pretty unique compensation plan. Of course, they have first level commissions. They have upfront commissions. They also have, once you hit certain ranks, we talked about this before. We'll do a deep dive on another video. We've talked about this before. Once you hit certain ranks, you get a daily passive residual. In other words, when you hit certain ranks, you'll get, X amount every single day. And this is on top of the amount you're getting from your plan, right? From your package. So it can grow. If you start sharing this and you start building a network and you start building a team, your daily passive income can grow exponentially. It can get crazy. Of course, you don't have to build a team. You can be purely passive if you like, but it is there. So again, we'll cover that. So it's in the PDF. We've talked about it a couple times already. So yeah, let me show you the compound button here. You can reinvest your interest. In fact, if you can see here, so we've compounded a couple of times already. Let's see here, compound. Let's see if this will go through. There it goes. And then I think it'll show up right here. Yeah, so my compounded amount. Is that what it was? Let me see here. Anyway, that's how you compound. You just click the reinvest interest button. There's the withdraw capital. I haven't been in for 21 days. I don't think anybody has. I don't think this has been out for 21 days, but once you hit the 21-day period, the withdraw capital button is right on your dashboard. So in any case, we've done a couple of withdrawals on video. There it is. So now total invested is showing over 6K. So we're gonna keep on compounding that. Let me withdraw my, let me see here. Let me scroll down, payout. So the website just came up, literally like, came up, and then I decided to do a quick video. So it is a little bit slow still. So I would imagine over the next hour or two, it'll start speeding up and getting back up to where it was. Because again, they just did maintenance on the site. It's normally very, very quick, but it is doing its thing. It's working. So I got $239. I can see here. 239. Let me grab my crypto address real quick. USDT address. You can withdraw out in USDT TRC20, and I believe, no, I think that's the only thing you can withdraw it. I was going to say, I think you can withdraw it in USDT BEP20 as well, but for sure USDT TRC20, right? So pretty simple. Website, just doing this to show you that the website is back up, and we can interact with all the buttons and functions just like we did before they did the maintenance. Everything is working just fine. You see here the main balance is now empty, and now that's it's sitting in the queue, and we should get that in our wallet. Let's see here. Again, I would imagine this is going to start, getting back up to speed here shortly. Let's see here. Mm, Yeah, so I went over this already. Okay. So you can top up your account. Again, you can get in where you fit in. Everything's over here's the marketing docs. They do Zooms. They do Zooms. I believe they do 2 Zooms a week. This just came out. This platform just came out. But I know the last week or two, I think they did 2 Zooms live with the CEO. So if you want to check that out, I actually posted one of their Zooms in my channel, so you can watch the replay there. But yeah, so far so good. It's been doing its thing. If you want to check it out, I will leave a link down below. Again, after 21 days of making your deposit, you could pull your capital out of the platform, so you're not locked in, which is pretty cool. And again, it does pay out 7 days a week, which is awesome. So yeah, check this one out. It's called AMC Global or AquaMarine Club. So far so good. This definitely has the makings, or at least the potential, to be a long-term legacy platform. Um, it ticks all the boxes for me. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what it can do. That being said, that's it for this video. Just a quick update because the website is back up. Wanted to do a quick one here, let you know everything is running and back up to where it was. Everything is functioning as it should. And yeah, we are back in business. Not that we were ever out of business. It was just they were doing maintenance for a couple hours. But yeah, check this out. I'll leave a link down below. All right, guys, follow me on Telegram. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that little bell icon so you'll get notified straight away whenever I do a brand new video. And with that being said, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.